me koro koro or you dey hear me whine whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Star Times channel 195 and channel 17 for my TV. Those when they online at www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't carry that ogbonge politics discussion show as E Dey Hot, where we go to discuss all the matter where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Give you license to chook mouth inside and talk them the way the team be you for body so that those who they lead us go hear word, take the necessary steps to move this our country forward. My name is Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when sabi well as he take concerning political matter as E Dey Hot.
Yes, and another edition of the same program where our viewers they always do it and they always they look out for as E Dey Hot. Now we don't carry come on our way. We'll go give now all the tidbit, that is all the information of waiting they happen for the political scenes for Nigeria. Today we're not go different as I already talk about because we will give us one interesting story, one development where they emerge from Edo State. Because I know say as I don't mention Edo, I will not say yes, a very we they look out for election will go play. So we just enter this thing our ground now, and now wetin we go talk about. And by the time we unveil the issue, at least our viewers go feel know the angle where they go do it, where they go feel coming from. We go open our phone line with that time rate. Me also be in mind say we get 3 solid telephone line for that, and one toll-free line. Toll-free line is I go call and I go express myself. But when it comes to the payment, I mean I leave that one for us because now we go now so we take $100. My name never see change. My name is Nkubi. And this now as E Dey Hot.
Oh, Igbo people they talk say some things are set in stone. That is to say, they don't already write time as it go be. That's how the thing go be. That's why when people hear September 10th, 2016, everybody don't know say election, gubernatorial election will happen inside Edo State based on staggered elections. Everybody go remember say the last time when they do governorship election for inside Edo na 2012, and based on the way Nigeria they now for 4 years. But gist come out yesterday. Say our security apparatus, that is all the security people inside the Nigeria, then come together, come look and come talk, say, based on intelligence, that is information when we say them pick because they are here at the ground. They hear say some kind of bad people won't come do badness for vulnerable, in English they call it vulnerable population inside Edo State. Say those people they won't masquerade under say election they happen and security they at alert, use enter some kind of place, cause some kind of badness. They come talk say INEC. In view of all of these issues available to us and the intelligence, we want to advise you to postpone the election. As they talk, some people come and say, postpone which election? Meanwhile, on Tuesday, APC, including Oga Presido and everybody went big for the party, they organized mega rally inside Edo State, where everybody, they wave broom, they talk, say, this election, we have won it. On Wednesday, when I come begin to talk, say, Jesus, come out, all this kind of thing. Some people talk, say, monkey hand, when get plenty hair. They inside this pot of soup, and then they see them. Pity people will come and talk, say, say the APC don't they get goosebumps. Say they don't know, say this election, no, they go lose them. Now, make them they come look for delaying tactics. They even talk, say, even if they come and talk, say this September 10, they want write GC, mathematics, they won't come postpone them. That one not even be an excuse. He come and say they come talk, say, that they hear gist, say insurgents. They come talk, say, wetin concern Edo with insurgents. Wetin concern Edo State with terrorism. They say, tell us another excuse. But I they come and talk, say, well, police don't talk their own. DSS don't talk their own. Intelligence people don't talk their own. But they never give them any formal information. People come and say, hey, this election when they happen on Saturday, it go hold at all. Who they fear election to happen? Anybody they fear say if this thing happen, they go lose election. Nkubi go answer the question. As E Dey Hot.
Well, if I go answer the question, I go bring her from this particular angle. I feel say you know they too appropriate because DSS and the police wait feel say yes, something one particular thing won't happen for Edo State. Courtesy normally for the man say okay. If this thing happen, make we also inform the appropriate people where we say we're supposed to operate things that day, like INEC. Make we tell them ahead so that make we not be say we just go behind their court, just take decision on top of waiting they're supposed to do on that day. Make we do it, make we inform them ahead, make them aware so that by the time they unveil the information to adult people, make it not be say a bid them like surprise. But then DSS, they just come bring out the information, say, you see what they hear as a result of that. Say, you will say they go do it, they go put the election on hold. Without informing INEC. But INEC, since the doctor said they never get information, say it be like shock even when they hear about them. And maybe just see what will happen. But they don't also ask say whether say they will try find out whether they will continue with the election. Why they not heard? Why they not there?
Wait, how the nodding of my head take affect what you talk?
No, you are making it look as...
Is my head the remote control of your mouth?
Let me continue with what I'm
Continue with what I said. Let me continue with what I'm doing.
The point here is what I try to talk. They say, okay, fine. Say, okay, they will still try to find out if...
Continue now. Continue with what you talk.
You're making me look unrelaxed.
Am I making you look unrelaxed? Am I touching you? Is it not a sound? Is it not a sound?
Okay, let me continue. So after a yarn, so they will try to see if you go still there, if you go still there possible. If you go still there possible. If you go still there possible to do a thing, to conduct the election that same day.
Nkubi, make I dedicate a song to you.
Don't dedicate any song to me.
This song.
Don't dedicate any song to me.
Now the legend.
Don't dedicate any song to me.
When the son of a legend, I singer Femi Anikula Pokuti. He talks say, wonder, 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 wonder.
I tell you the song. You don't do.
Wonder,
I don't want to hear.
Wonder, wonder, wonder. Till you turn to wanderer.
Now you go turn to wanderer.
I don't call your name, oh.
No, you dedicate song to me.
I sing the song.
I can also dedicate a portion of the song to you.
Now me sing the song.
No. Chukwudi, it is easy.
I call Nkubi for the song.
It is easy. He said make you dedicate a song to me.
Nkubi, wetin Nigeria they see.
I also take a portion of the song.
Wetin Nigeria they see today, no be wetin we plan, oh. Wetin Nigeria they see today, no be wetin we plan, oh. Fellow Nigerians. Edo Rivers election. We never know whether the election go happen. It don't happen. It will happen. It will ever happen. It will never happen. It will forever happen. We never know. Igbo, we hear say it happen. It not happen. He do this. He not do this. He not do that. Kano, virtually everywhere. Nkubi, 2015 general elections. When the former president, good man, good luck, Jonathan, good man. Everything rhyme with good. Good man, good heart. Good father, good leader, good president. The man talks, say, okay, the election don't go like I hand over. Nkubi, INEC win on the pass. We come promote, enter another class.
INEC will blame on top of this matter.
Everybody when they involved, now we go blame. Oh.
So that's why I say DSS, why they not carry the information first, at least put for INEC can.
DSS.
Okay, before they come make an official statement. Say,
thank you.
This election from the way they say, I feel no hold.
Thank you. DSS, police, soldier, NSCDC, Navy, Air Force, all of them there for our security apparatus. Who they control the security apparatus? President and commander-in-chief of the armed forces. If APC do mega rally on Tuesday, then on Wednesday we come here and say it's like the insurgents want to attack vulnerable people. Remember I said the Inspector General of Police was say 25,000 police officers.
Now they don't deploy.
Hey, Nkubi, what's going on?
But hold on.
What's going on?
We also they check, ask ourselves.
Wonder.
Now what they make me? May I talk now?
Wonder.
Make we also ask ourselves.
To wonder.
And what if there are elements of truth in waiting DSS and police talk?
Okay.
Say somehow, some people want invade, want use the election, enter into this thing, cause katakata, cause problem. Okay. Maybe they spoil things.
Okay.
Maybe they even feel lead to casualties of people dying.
Katakata when they no cause for 2015 general elections. Nkubi, see,
This is restricted to Edo State. Now, Edo State, they talk about here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Now, Edo State,
now,
at the center of this Edo State.
When the 2015 elections, they're supposed to hold that for February 14th, 2015. But before then, he just can't come and say, wait, because of what we would experience for the northeastern part of Nigeria, say, look, we do this like this. And we know, say, that period, say, insurgency, terrorism don't reach one particular level. What did our soldier people do? Our gallant troops, people when we say they part off, what did they do?
Go sit down, just go down.
They clear these insurgents by 6 weeks. And Nkubi election happen.
You know why not happen? You know one for it.
Give me one reason.
Listen.
Edo State. The last time when conductor fight with person for Edo State was in 2000. Was in 2000 and what he said. Last time when they even record say NURTW. Last time when they record say conductor fight with passenger. He be like how many years ago?
No, stay the year.
Now they go to say Boko Haram terrorists insurgents won't attack. They won't use election attack. They don't. Boko Haram never attacked for inside Edo State before. They don't even attack Edo State before.
Intelligence gathering.
Intelligence gathering. Wonder.
Intelligence gathering. Intelligence information. Say something won't happen. It's not the right of the DSS and police to protect lives and property.
Something won't happen. What if that?
Even the hear information, some hear say rumors say some people can invade though. It's not the right of the DSS and police to protect the life of Edo people.
Only two things won't happen for that state.
Hold on. And what if in the end, well, will not pray make happen? The court that they go on with this election and something will happen. Who you will blame?
Who could make ask you question?
You're going to blame the security personnel. Say they want to do their job.
Who could make ask you question now? What didn't change from Tuesday when the leaders of the APC, including Oga Presido.
You know what? That Tuesday they start to hear the rumor.
Now Tuesday they start to hear the rumor.
You never can tell.
And Oga Presido and all the leaders of the party, they grant mega rally. They don't slap one. In fact, they say for that rally, person don't even match person.
Because you did there, you witness them.
Because if
because you witness them.
If you match person, we'll go no.
No, because you witness them. You were there. You feel replicate yourself in 100 places. Put yourself in different places to know they happen.
Wonder. See, you turn to wonder.
And that wonder now for your face will happen.
See.
Now you go turn to that wonder.
Nigerians they see everything when they happen. We know what is going on.
Yes.
You people cannot use us to
I wish you could get calls, but that will open up for like make we get
which
calls
call you won't get?
From Edo people. Make we hear their opinion.
Which call you won't get?
Make we get their opinion on some of these.
Which call you won't get?
Say, by the time they start the call, I think they go get their own opinion. Say yes, somehow information. And they come say somehow.
And they will go tell us say after the mega rally on Tuesday, it be like say bad people can't enter the state can't change, it can't happen. See who they fear election. Oh,
who they fear election?
It's obvious.
Who they fear election?
It's obvious.
Who?
It's obvious.
Who?
You know what?
The same governor, amiable governor. Let me say for 8 good years, 8 solid years. We see the transformation we bring for the state.
He transformed the state. Thank you very much. And the new person when won't succeed and won't create 200,000 jobs.
Yeah, it could be possible.
If the new person when won't create 200,000 jobs.
Going by the strategy way, you know, everybody getting your strategy.
If the person won't
no. Going by everybody getting your strategy.
Nkubi, you know, say 200,000. So he gets some state where we say if you get 200,000 votes, you don't win election. How you won't create 200,000 jobs?
For one state.
How many?
For one state. Not be local government. Not one senatorial zone. That state that makes up millions of people.
That makes up
millions of people.
9% the person
and we get unemployed people as well.
9% the person went there 8 solid years. You don't create anything.
Who say no create?
Because you won't create 200,000.
Who say no create?
You don't even talk about creating jobs. You know how many Nigerians don't lose their job in the past 1 year in the formal sector? 4 million Nigerians. Nkubi, how you going to go from hey, Nigeria, we are going to give you 5,000. We are going to give you, we are going to feed your children. We are going to do this, we are going to do that. Please, we are going to get out of recession. We are going to do this, we are going to do that.
It is the responsibility of a governor to say, okay, we know say we they get problem. We know say people they lose their jobs. But even in the heat of people losing their jobs, we could still create avenue on how to create jobs for people to do it. To not create
avenue for people to vote in election and vote who they want.
And who tell you say the election go hold? It's just a matter of saying, okay, therefore, see something.
This one, they very clear.
If you put the necessary securities on
ground. Oga Presido supposed to go Port Harcourt. Oga Presido supposed to go Port Harcourt. Then talk say these bad guys, they want him say make him no come, he no go. Bad guys want him, he no go. Oga Presido supposed to come Lagos. Lagos. Some Jews first come and say, then here say, later they say in here, he no come. Oga Presido go the mega rally. Oga Presido go the mega rally and he no go. He go the mega rally and he no go. He go the mega rally and he no go.
Avoid a lot of places for not. When no gree go. Unto say if it's the tell say security say in life good day threatened. In this is that is it.
Thank you very much. We see visible threat for those places or not.
Chukwudi.
He even gave me the way we said former president Good Akebele Jonathan. They've been stolen in convoy.
Visible threat no day for this one.
Which visible threat?
Going by the news of the.
Oh yeah, make we can't read waiting the governor talk.
Okay.
He say reacting to the development, the Edo State Governor Adam Soshomole said the APC was over prepared for Saturday and urged INEC not to postpone the final burial of the PDP. If the governor of the state, the chief security officer, confidently come and say our party don't over prepare.
Yes,
make we are ready. Who contact DSS? Who contact police? Who contact security people say threat day? If the governor, when they hold the key to the gate of the state, with intelligence gathering.
Underground intelligence gathering.
So then after they collect
underground intelligence gathering.
The governor, they collect his own overhead.
It gets
underground overhead.
All information the governor supposed to know about.
And it's the chief security officer of the state.
That's not what I'm saying.
This is clear.
No.
This is clear.
That's not what I'm trying to drive at. See,
you know
the fact say the governor
say under APC, it be like say democracy don't need blood, oh, because we don't see now election inconclusive. If you go primary school
but
today,
in the end, inconclusive never turn to conclusive.
Which inconclusive?
Then the end
which end the end?
Kogio, they don't finish and eventually.
Which end the end?
Kogio, they don't finish and eventually.
Which end the end? Which end the end?
But they don't finish and eventually.
Which end the end?
You know, the end eventually.
Which end the end?
Even if they are inconclusive, but still they still get the by-election and it ended.
Even marriage, they get the one that they do for registry. They get traditional marriage, they do church wedding, and the date they hold. Election don't count on waiting they expensive for Nigeria. Election we don't count on waiting we're going to use prayer points. Election don't count on waiting we're going to tell ourselves, say, God, send Angel Gabriel to come and help us. Nkubi.
Now we are
wonder. Till you turn to the ringtone of this country don't change. Oh. Before you know what it be our ringtone. Anything I do now, God the win. Oh now God the win. Oh now God the win. Oh, but now what it be our ringtone? Wonder. Everything.
Wonders. You know why it could be wonders?
What it be wonder?
The wonders you say, at least, would they see things that is positive changes.
Positive changes.
Looking forward to positive changes. Where we not experience in the last 60 years.
Imo State don't cancel Thursday and Friday for workers. Make them they go farm. Positive changes.
It is still development.
Positive changes.
Now diversification with the tri-channel.
You give them you give them cutlass, you give them farm.
Diversification, I will mention. And we need to diversify.
Our economy.
We need to diversify.
When they like this before, don't they like this now? Positive
going by waiting.
Change.
Waiting cause the economy today like this.
Our 5,000.
Waiting cause the economy today like this.
Positive
Chukwudi, I ask you this question. Waiting the economy today like this.
We are going to feed all your children.
We know how much we want to spend, though. We know how much we want to spend, though, for the last presidential election.
National Assembly did all this.
When I carry all the resources, all the resources,
so this is the budget. Budget. 26 positive change.
Come back to
Fulani herdsmen, positive change. Chibok girls, positive change. Oh, you see, Nkubi. Very soon, you know what the Nigerians will begin to sing. When Nigerians rise up, say, thank you very much. You know this because now song I go you won't use the following talk now. The next song when Nigerians go sing for Nana. You know what I mean? All the bobo, all the lie one I don't lie. You don't tire us.
It's young by see, of all things.
After that one, you know what
hey, please, hold on. Just hold it there. If you don't storm me as lyrics, or don't steal lyrics from my body, make you just stop there. Not going to take me a singer. When we say husband and wife, it's easier when they communicate with themselves fairly. They will take songs, they attack themselves. No ever. See my hand what they raise for you. They take songs, they communicate with me. And you cannot be saying a better song. So I'm going to say, ideally, you know, fit into the system. Please, see the please. It's just the right. Respect yourself.
Nkubi, this one, it don't show. I don't
Respect yourself.
I don't know why they want to postpone that election.
Respect yourself.
You don't even devise down before the result.
Respect yourself.
You don't even devise down before the result come out.
I tell you now.
You don't even devise down before the result come out.
I clap for you now.
No clap for me.
I clap for you now.
Don't you clap for me.
I clap for you now, Chukwudi. I don't even clap. I clap for you now.
Nkubi, I
beg you. I beg Nigerians. I beg Amo. I beg Chukwudi. Because if for the past how long ago don't they run this program? Maybe my threat, now they say I'm as this time around, I'll make sure this threat, you say it.
Nkubi,
you say it.
Wait, why you be saying you the threatening? Why you not threatening the people when we say una talk say they won't come cause
why I not threaten you?
Why you not threatening those
instead of us to get one voice on a particular issue, instead of you and I to they talk normally.
Why you not threatening? Why you not threatening the people? Why you not threatening the people who allow the?
I mean, I'm asking Nigerians.
Why you not threatening the people who allow the price of bag of rice to increase? Why you not threatening people who increase fuel to 145 naira? Why you not threatening people who say? The bad budget.
Listen, the day I want to say, sometimes I'll talk say yes, so this government, I don't try.
Why you not threatening people when promise me and my brothers them 5,000?
Are you unemployed?
I'm speaking for my people. We are comrades. Why you not threatening them? The people who say they want free children, why you not threatening them?
Everything will be done.
Why you not threatening Fulani?
Everything will be done.
Why you not threatening Fulani?
Just relax.
I mean, you call the threatening.
Because the way you suddenly twist the whole thing, going to take on. I don't see. About no sing for me.
One more time.
No sing.
Down.
Chukwudi, no sing for me.
No, come down.
No sing for me.
If you come down, who go?
No sing
if
for
you
me.
come down, if you come down, you will go back.
As if I never did go up before.
Wonder.
Chukwudi, hey.
Wonder.
Let it remain in that wonder. That hand will just raise. Make it hang there. Let it just hang there. Don't raise any hand any further.
You know that I have my rights.
I know you have your right.
In the Constitution.
What Constitution?
Freedom of speech. Oh.
No.
It's enshrined in the Constitution.
In the same vein, if you violate that Constitution, also infringe into the rights or threaten somebody with one kind of song or anything, of course, I have every right to defend myself.
The song when they sing, does it cause you grievous bodily harm? You even come there. This is trespassing. This is my space.
This is a verbal attack.
This is my space.
This is a verbal attack. And anything verbal attack must be seen as a threat.
Nkubi, if I count 3, you know, come on here, something will happen.
Better.
1.
Thank you very much. That threat, I want to see it. I want to see that. 1. Just on that one. They can't tell me I even help you. 2.
No, don't count. No,
2.
No, you can't count for me.
Why won't I count for you?
Why will you count for me?
Why won't I count for you?
Allow me to count my count.
Count what count?
Let me count my count.
No, I didn't help you.
Let me count.
Now me be the threatening person here. That threat, I want to help you make you achieve that threat so they threaten me. 1, you don't count, I don't give you 2. Show me that 3 won't count. Give me 3. And if you don't give me 3, within 5 seconds, I'll count the 3 for you. And if you don't do that, what you want to do? Anyway, it's me, Tiko. 2, 1.
You go sit down.
Oh, you don't bring down voice.
Go sit down.
Oh, you don't bring down voice.
Don't be bring down voice. Go sit down.
Suddenly your tone don't come down.
Don't be tone come down. Go sit down. Go sit down because I don't even know where to start from, self.
Don't even dare it because you cannot start from anywhere.
I'm not even seeing you, self. Come on to come and
do this. Don't beg me because as I did here, you just stop me saying, Nkubi. You don't.
Sit down.
You should be talking.
Sit down.
Now, what is supposed to talk with this? Wait, you look with me because they take song. No sing for me. No, let us address this issue.
Wear your cap. Make it no block camera angle. Wear your cap.
Camera angle, which of the camera angles? Which of the they tell say they know they see me, then they see the studio at be. What is the meaning of that?
You know say your cap safe now attraction. Wear them. No just if you network fee.
This tone way they take talk now, you know good.
Network fee begin the shake.
This tone way they take talk now, you know good. At least that just say yes. We will get the same understanding.
But Nkubi, make we dey talk through. Make we dey talk through. What be the hand when they control police, DSS? If Inspector General of Police won't send 25, if he say they go deploy 25,000 police officers, go one state. 25,000 go one state. Because of election when go happen between 8 o'clock and 4 p.m. Then counting for the respective places where we say they will count.
Before you go any further, we will get a caller. Chukwuma, all the way from Asawa, where they near Edo State. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwuma.
Chukwudi is the man of the people.
How? How is he the man of the people?
Allow him to talk. Were you the one that gave him credit?
Nkubi, calm down.
I'm coming down.
Yeah. See, this election, we know what's happening. And Nkubi knows what is happening.
I don't know.
Let them do the right thing. Let them do the right thing. Adams has been our man. And let Adams behave the way he's supposed to behave. Nkubi, calm down. Let's put the rule this place for us, please.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chukwuma.
Thank you very much. And it's now 1-0.
It says Chukwuma.
It's now 1-0.
No. It says Chukwuma sound.
But in voice they clear.
No. Chukwuma sound.
In voice they clear.
Please, let us take this. Make the governor do it.
Who is the man of the people here?
The government knows to go.
Who is the man of the people here? Who is the man of the people here?
I am the man of the people.
How can you be the man of the people?
I am the man of the people.
You can't be the man of the people.
I am the man of the people.
You can't be the man of the people.
I am the voice of the people. I am the only individual who will say, I think I will talk on them, I will stand on them. I don't get too mouth like you.
You don't stand on the 5,000.
Hold on.
Hold on to when?
It is coming.
He's coming to Judgment Day.
Caller.
Hold on to Judgment Day.
We have another caller.
Give me my 5,000.
We have another. Okay. Chukwudi, let me allow you go rest more. Say you need to at least bring down your voice. Make it drink water. Make it go for this break. When we come back, the matter continues.
And it's still 1-0.
Edo State 2016.
And it's still 1-0. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.